It's been almost a month since the Boeing 737 took off from Ethiopia's capital, Addis Ababa, bound for Nairobi. It crashed 6 minutes later near the town of Bishoftu, killing all 157 people on board. Ethiopia's transport minister has now released the first official findings of the investigation into the crash, which says the pilots did everything that was recommended by Boeing.
The major objective of this investigation is to make sure that there is safety in the aviation sector. It's not to blame someone, it's not to get some sort of... There are some things that we are going to do it as something very normal, following the procedures. But of all the things, the result of this report is going to help us to assure safety in the aviation sector.
The pilots reportedly struggled to control the plane's automatic anti-stalling system, which is meant to push the nose of the aircraft downwards if it detects a stall or loss of airspeed. Analysts believe this issue may have led to the crash.
The crew reacted quite correctly by carrying out a drill that has been prescribed if this occurs, and isolated this system which was trying to push the nose down. But having done that, they then found that one of the control systems that they have for pulling the nose back up again simply wouldn't perform for them.
This was the second crash to involve the Boeing 737 MAX within 5 months. In Indonesia last October, a Lion Air flight went down shortly after takeoff from Jakarta, killing all 189 passengers and crew. The lawyers representing the families of the victims of the Lion Air flight say the United States should do more to hold Boeing accountable.
Number one, Boeing is in the United States. Number two, the plane was manufactured in the United States. Number three, most of the evidence of Boeing's wrongdoing is in the United States. And number four, and most importantly, equal justice for all the victims requires one trial in the United States.
And it's a major setback for the company.
Boeing really has to work very fast to recover its trust, because its brand name is so strong and its products for a long time have been so good.
The Boeing 737 MAX has been grounded worldwide, pending a review into the software of its flight control system. Investigators in Ethiopia say a full report into what happened could take up to a year to complete. Raheela, Mahomed, Al Jazeera.